Hi guys, this is CMA Vipul Shah. Let's understand option trading with a simple example. Imagine I got share of PQR Limited, price 100 rupees. You think in near future it will go up to 170 rupees and it may come down also. So you'll come to me asking to buy the share. But see, logically, if price is going to go up, I'm not full to sell my share, right? So you'll pay me some premium. Okay, the moment I accept the premium, I'm bound to sell you shares after that particular period. Now imagine price goes up. Okay, then once I take money from you, I have to sell you share at 100 rupees. So whatever extra price is there as on that date, it's become your profit. But if price goes down to 50 rupees, you will not come to me, because you will not buy share of 50 at 100 rupees. So then whatever premium you have paid to me, that becomes your loss. So in option trading, your loss is fixed, the amount of premium you have paid to me, but profit can be maximum. So I hope you like this example. Please save the reel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you so much.